In this guide, I'll show you how to fix connection failed in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on the Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press the X button on your controller and we're going to go to home. Now sometimes it's an easy fix. All you have to do is press start on your controller when you have the game highlighted and you want to quit out fully, so essentially just close the game and boot it back up and see if it fixes the issue. Now if it doesn't, we're going to go to My Games and Apps on the home menu and you want to scroll down to apps and you want to look for this question mark and go to Xbox support. Then you want to scroll up and select Xbox status in the top right corner. And if the COD servers are experiencing any issues, you'll get a major outage or limited sign here. So if that's not here, the next thing you want to do is go back to home. And then you want to go to settings. And once you're here, scroll over from general and we're going to go to network settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down and test your network speed and statistics. So if your download speed and upload speed are normal and your packet loss is 0, it's likely not your home network, but you could try restarting it by unplugging the power cable for 30 to 60 seconds and also restarting your Xbox. Once everything's plugged back in, boot up Call of Duty and see if it works. Now, if you're still getting the connection failed error, sometimes the issue does just resolve itself, and it could be the COD servers and it just hasn't been updated in Xbox status. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.